getting health care.
Here's a guy that knows something about it. Here's Secretary of Defense Bob Gates, who obviously was in the previous administration. Here he is, what he has to say about Supermax prison facilities. He said it today. Let's listen.
The truth is there's a lot of fear-mongering about this. We've never had an escape from a Supermax prison, and that's where these guys will go. And if not one of the existing ones, we'll create a new one.
Your thoughts?
We'll create a new one. At what price, at what location, at what time, when we have a brand new facility that's surrounded on 3 sides by the Caribbean and 1 side by communist Cuba.
Oh, here he is. Here's why not to keep it there. Here's Secretary Gates on Guantanamo and what it means to the world. Here he is.
The truth is, it's probably one of the finest prisons in the world today, but it has a taint. It is the name itself is a condemnation. What the president was saying is, this will be an advertisement for Al-Qaeda as long as it's open.
Well, that's a question, isn't it? It's an advertisement for Al-Qaeda.
It is a taint. It's a public relations problem.
No, many people believe it's part of the recruitment effort of the enemy.
We're talking about people.
Okay, let me let Mr. Israel, Congressman Israel, your thoughts on why Bob Gates might be right here when he says this is a bad thing for our side in fighting, which is basically a battle for the hearts and minds of the world, and this makes us look like the bad guy. That's what I think. Your thoughts?
Well, it absolutely does make us look like the bad guy. You know, we are fighting for freedom and democracy and justice and the rule of law, and we have this icon called Guantanamo that violates all of those precepts and all of those premises, which is why we need to close it down, use the rule of law, keep the American people safe. That is exactly what President Obama has called for yesterday.
Does it scare you that Sirhan is in prison in California, in Corcoran?
No, because he's an isolated guy down there.
Does it bother you that Moussaoui's in Colorado and Florence? Does it bother you that Ramzi Youssef
not one of those people were moved from one facility to the other without a comprehensive plan of how you
But it's already been done. There's a precedent.
But that was for that person. When you did Sirhan, it was a special plan done by experts to do that. It wasn't, let's do it no matter what. Right now, all that's being said is before you ask for money to shut down an existing facility and move people,
should the average American be scared about putting terrorists in federal prisons? Yes or no?
I said no. They should be scared. They should be infuriated that their politicians and their leaders are worrying more about perception than reality. That's the problem.
Your last word, Mr. Israel, Congressman Israel.
Well, I go back to Terry Nichols, a guy with 160 counts of murder against him, a terrorist, a domestic terrorist. Not one Republican, not one person in the Bush administration expressed any concern about the safety of a Supermax prison. This is a political issue. It's a weapon of mass distraction, and we need to get on with a coherent policy.
Okay, thank you very much, U.S. Congressman Steve Israel. Thank you, U.S. Congressman Brian Bilbray.